Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Afterpay lets customers split payments into installments basically, which can increase sales. In today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to integrate the Shopify with Afterpay in the next version or 2026, the latest one. All we're gonna do now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and go look for Shopify.com. So you can open your store by logging in using your email address and password. Well, now we're gonna go and look in the settings. Well, let me show you. I'm gonna go back to this main screen. After this settings, the icon. We're gonna wait so we can go to the payment section. Now we are looking to activate Shopify payments. Says Afterpay is available through Shopify payments. So basically, as you see here, as payment providers that enable you to access payments method at rate, whatever, select a plan if you don't basically have it yet. Then go all the way and basically select a payment method. You can even add one with PayPal. It depends on you. So for example, we're gonna go and look for a random one, Bitcoin Cash, cards, or even more options. It depends on you. After this, go and enable Afterpay. Turn on Afterpay under alternative payment methods. Then complete the merchant verification. Provide the required business and banking information. Then check the product eligibility. Make sure your products meet Afterpay requirements. Then enable storefront messaging. Afterpay badges will show on product pages. And all you're gonna do now is give it a small test to basically check the flow, check if it's fully working, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.